words of Kofi Annan, the former Secretary General of the United Nations, literacy is the bridge from misery to hope. Good morning everyone. I am Ardas Sandhu representing Prithvi House from grade 6 Millennium World School Barnala. Today I am here to talk about International Literacy Day, which is celebrated on 8th September every year. In 1966, the UNESCO celebrated its first International Literacy Day. It was aimed to communicate about the importance of reading and writing to communities, individuals, and nations of the world. Literacy is a weapon against poverty and a tree that will bear sweet fruit for a lifetime. By learning to read and write, everyone can fulfill their dreams, and in modern times it is but an essential tool for survival. But sadly, not everyone gets an opportunity to learn. According to a UNESCO report, there are about 700 million of adults and 60 million of children who are illiterate and cannot attend school. International Literacy Day 2020 focuses on teaching and learning in the COVID-19 crisis, and it focuses on the role of educators and changing teaching methods. On International Literacy Day 2020, we, the Millennium Family, make a call to policymakers, advocates, teachers, families, and students to join forces and take action. It is a common responsibility to ensure that every child keeps learning during and after this global crisis of COVID-19. Children's education now requires more than ever free access to quality education and technology. In fact, the world needs to adopt more inclusive learning system. A special thanks to our revered principal ma'am and my dear teachers for carrying on the education journey so fruitfully even in these such testing times. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
बहुत ज़रूरी होती शिक्षा, सारे अवगुण होती शिक्षा, चाहे जितना पढ़ लें हम पर कभी न पूरी होती शिक्षा। शिक्षा पाकर ही बनते हैं नेता, अफसर, शिक्षक, वैज्ञानिक, यंत्री, व्यापारी या साधारण रक्षक।
का बोध कराती अधिकारों का ज्ञान, शिक्षा से ही मिल सकता है सर्वों पर सम्मान। बुद्धिहीन को बुद्धि देती, अज्ञानी को ज्ञान, शिक्षा से ही बन सकता है भारत देश महान।
On this International Literacy Day, let's remember one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world.